Lewis acids and bases. According to Lewis definitions, an acid is any species that has the ability to accept a share in an electron pair, and a base is any species that has the ability to donate a share in an electron pair. Now here is a simple acid-base reaction. And as you can see that ammonia is acting as a base, which means it is the one that is donating its electron pair to form a bond with hydrogen. Since hydrogen is accepting the electron pair, then it is called as a Lewis acid. Now keep in mind that all Bronsted acids are Lewis acids. All proton donating acids are Lewis acids. And all Bronsted bases are Lewis bases. Lewis acids, however, are not limited to compounds that lose protons. Compounds such as aluminum trichloride, ferric bromide, and even borane, these are all going to act as Lewis acids because they have unfilled valence orbitals which can accept a share in an electron pair. So these compounds will react with a compound that has a lone pair, just as a proton would react with a compound that has a lone pair. So here in this case, since aluminum has an unfilled valence orbital, it's going to act as a Lewis acid, accepting a share in an electron pair from oxygen to form this complex. Now we know the differences between the two definitions for acids and bases, Bronsted-Lowry and Lewis. So according to Bronsted-Lowry principle, an acid is any substance which has the ability to donate in hydrogen. So acid is basically a hydrogen donor. And base is something which has the ability to grab the hydrogen, so it is an acceptor. But according to Lewis' definition for acid, an acid is any substance or any species which has the ability to accept a share in an electron pair. So accept a share in an electron pair. Whereas base is a species which has the ability to donate a share in an electron pair. When it comes to Bronsted, you will talk in terms of proton, and when it comes to Lewis, you'll talk in terms of sharing electrons. It's also important to know the differences between base and a nucleophile. A base is a compound that shares its electron with a proton, whereas a nucleophile is something which shares its electron with an atom other than proton.